We got thumbs up. Now we're looking for a green light. Got it. Oh, the right lane is engaged. The slingshot. Do we see side-by-side 200? No. 202 for Marcelo Duran. Oh, it's a pick 'em race again.
I'm going to ride with Sissio, the number 5.
All right, we got a green light.
And he's got him at the 8th mile. I think it's all over but the crying, ladies and gentlemen. Right lane goes 177, no breakout, turns on the win light for Nathan Sissio. Congratulations, sir.
Can he pull it off?
Does the young lady have what it takes?
All right, we need a green light first. There it is. And I think the Mustang got jumped. I think this one is all over. Yeah, Crystal is out in front, and it's done. 164 taking out a valiant 158.